Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about how you can increase iPhone alarm volume. Well, there are things you should know about it to begin with. You should at first naturally go to the alarms page. So you go to the clock app, go to the alarms, and there are actually two types of alarm. So you have the bedroom or bedtime alarm, and you have the a regular one. So I'm just gonna add the regular one. At first you naturally have to pick the time, some options like repeating, label, sound, which is important. Like you can change the sound right here, but you cannot change the volume right from this app. So once you save it up and just choose a random time and whatever, so you're gonna hit save. So the alarm is ready, but you have no control over the actual sound and the volume of it. For this, what you have to do is to open up the settings and just come back to the main section. So you are in here, and as you are in this, scroll down to find sounds and haptics. So just click on that, and the very first slider at the top is one called ringtone and alerts, and this is the one which represents everything from incoming phone calls volume to the alerts that you receive from apps, and this also includes the iPhone alarm sound. So here is the slider which adjusts the volume of your iPhone alarm. So it's very, hidden in the settings. I guess I would expect a little bit more intuitive option and a way to get it to work, but this is just how it is. And you should also know that you cannot separately pick the volume for your phone calls and alarm. It all has to be part of this one slider, so one volume level for all of those things. This is how it works. But you should also know that there is the option to change with buttons, which utilizes the physical volume up and down buttons. And as you are on the home screen, you can just click it up and down, and it just allows you to control the ringer volume, which includes, as I said, the phone calls, alerts, and alarms from the home screen as well, using the physical the volume buttons. So you can do it that way as well. And the reason why I mentioned the other type of alarm, this one right here, so you can change and set up the bedtime alarm. Well, this one is a little bit different because this one allows you to choose the option, and you can adjust the slider right here. So in this one you can change it up right from within the settings, right from within the window where you set up the alarm to begin with, and there are other things as well. So if you choose from these available sounds, there are only a few, but this also, a different thing is that this one also is going to gradually raise up the volume of your alarm if you set it up, but it's less convenient. It's like the bedtime, which you only choose once. It has a different purpose, so it's not the regular alarm, but it has different controls for the volume. So these two types of alarms work a little bit differently, and I believe that you should know about it. So I'm gonna wrap up the video right now because I told you everything you need to know about alarms and the volumes. However, if you want to, you can also check out the Foxtecc educational platform, which I created for free for you to join. So you don't have to pay anything. You can just get inside, and there are many different courses like the social media, video editing in Adobe Rush, the full course on the dynamic island, and stuff like this. So definitely something worth taking a look at. I'm going to wait for you inside. And for now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future.